Shillong Trends.
MSCPCR Chairperson Agatha K campaigning for elections.
Yeah, that was in fact incorrect, and we have already written to the Election Commission to delete her name. And just to share with you, she had already shared with me in the beginning that she will not be campaigning, as it is not proper for her to campaign. But due to some kind of shortcomings and the party campaign team not being communicated that part, they ended up putting her name because she is a senior leader of the party, and therefore they felt it appropriate. So they did the right thing, but this message did not reach them at the right moment. But to take corrective measures, we have already communicated to Election Commission that they should remove her name from the list of main campaigners.
So, this